Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can sell or list multiple items in just one listing. Now this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now you just need to open your eBay, okay, your eBay account. Now that's what I'm going to do right now. After that, what you need to do is you want to click on sell in the top right, okay, and after that you want to click on create listing, okay, this blue button, click on it. Now here you just need to add the title of your product. Now I'm just going to name it test, okay, then click on search. After that you want to just select here the category, so I'm just going to go with a random category, which is health and beauty, healthcare. Now after that I'm going to click on continue without match. Now after that I'm going to select the condition of the product. I'm going to go with new because I only sell new products. Now if you sell used products, you want to click here on used. Now after that you want to click on continue to listing. Okay, to enable the variation option, or to enable the feature that allows you to list multiple items or multiple colors, multiple sizes, you need to click on three little dots in the top right, and then you want to click on settings, and then you want to enable it here. Next to variation, just enable this, okay, just click on it. Make sure it turns blue, and then after that click on this X. Now after that you want to scroll down. Here you will be able to find variations. It says here save time and money by listing multiple variations of your item in one multi-quantity fixed price listing. Now what you need to do is you want to click on edit here next to it, okay? So after that, here you just need to remove all of this that says here like attributes. You just need to remove it. Click on X, click again on this X color. Now if you are selling a product, for example a t-shirt, for example, and this t-shirt comes with different colors, different sizes, different logos, you can do that. You can list multiple in just one listing, and then the buyer has the ability to select which color do you want, which logo do you want, which size do you want. You can do that inside here. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can do this, okay? So here where it says under attributes, it says here add, right? Plus add. Click on it. Now for example, and then click on add your own attribute, okay? And then here I'm going to select color, okay? I am selling a t-shirt, for example, and this t-shirt comes with different colors, like four different colors. I can do that. Now after you select here color, click on save. Okay, if it says here this, you want to just add something like a point or whatever, and then click on save. Now as you can see, we have now color. Now here where it says options, you want to add the options you have with colors, okay? For example, the options here, I have blue color, click on add. I also have yellow color, click on add. I also have red color, then click on add. Okay, for example, I have three different colors, okay? Okay, so if you want, for example, to sell different colors and also different sizes, here under again attributes, you want to click on add, and then click on add your own attribute, then select size, then click on enter or save. Now as you can see, if you click on color, you will be able to see the colors, the options you have, the options your buyer will be able to select. But if you click on size, you need to create your own, the options here. Now how many sizes do you have? Now I have M size, for example, XL size, for example, S size, for example. So you can add as many sizes as you have, okay, as you want. Now after you are done, as you can see, we have three different sizes and also three different colors. After you are done, you can click on continue. Okay, so after you click on continue, what you need to do is you want to add the product pictures if you haven't done that already, okay? So what you need to do now, as you can see, we have different colors, right? We have three different colors and three different sizes. Now if you click here, it says use default photos. You want to select here color, Okay, now as you can see, we have three different colors, right? 1, 2, 3: blue, yellow, red. Now if you click on blue, for example, you want to add the color that is blue color. For example, I'm selling a t-shirt. I need to add here in there blue. I need to add blue t-shirt. I need to upload the blue t-shirt so that when customer selects blue, it automatically they will be able to see the blue color. Now after you add here the blue color, you want to go to yellow color, click on it here, and then when you click on yellow color, you want again to upload yellow color of your product. Okay, now here the red color, you want to upload the red color. Now after that, you want to scroll down, and here you will be able to add the price for each color. Okay, so if you are selling, for example, blue color for $20, but the yellow color you want to charge more, you can do that here in this box. Now the blue color I'm charging, for example, $20. Okay, the blue color, regardless of the size, I am charging $20. But yellow color, I need to charge, for example, $32, for example. You can add that like your price here, like I said, in next to every color you can add your price. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to charge here $20 for each, and then after you are done, what you need to do is you want to click on save and close. Here of course you want, after you are done with like listing multiple items in just one listing, you want to add the description of your product. Now I'm going to use a random description test, for example, because this is just a test for YouTube. Okay, for like how, so that I can show you guys how you can do it. Now as you can see, you can just add everything, shipping details and stuff like that, and after that you want to click on list it. Okay, when you click on list it, people now will be able to select which color do you want, which size do you want, which whatever card do you want, because you added them in the listing. Okay, that's exactly how you can list multiple colors or multiple items, how you can list multiple items in just one listing. That's how it's done. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments and let me know. I'm gonna answer your questions, and drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.